Imagine if people's ashes were inside trees, and instead of connecting to what we'd lost, instead of connecting to the pain and the grief, we could connect to the beauty that their life created. We could connect to the privilege of being alive and being a part of life, and the beauty of having people that we still love with us. And that's at the heart of living legacy. That's why I created it. And that's why I want you to be a part of creating our beautiful forests. So how do you get to choose what you become? How do you get to leave a legacy that you're going to be proud of? A legacy that hopefully your children can look up to in awe and beauty, can hear the sound of the wind blowing through its leaves, can breathe in the air that it creates, can smell it and know that we're all a part of that. How do you get to be a part of this when we've been so different in the past? You know, in the past people would become graves, and as a community we'd create graveyards, where now people are becoming trees and we're creating beautiful forests. Your living legacy tree, it's not just a living memorial tree. It's a tree that creates thousands of seeds and seedlings, and that's how your life is truly perpetuated. I think it's the only way we can really offer people perpetuity is when your life is perpetuated. So when you become a living legacy tree, you become thousands of seeds, thousands of regenerating seeds. That's the circle of life, and that's how we honor it. Now, we've done something extra special to really make sure this makes an impact. Every time someone chooses to become a living legacy tree, we donate an extra 200 offset trees to be planted in that person's name. Why 200 trees? Because 200 trees creates more air than a person breathes in a lifetime. And it means even if only 10% of Australians choose to become a beautiful living legacy tree, it means the collective impact of those trees is almost 500 million trees. How we leave the world really can change the world. Thank you.